And here is a final method. This is very long-winded, so you probably wouldn't use it to make a simple bowl, but nevertheless it shows techniques that may be useful in some circumstances. Again, we're going to use the ellipse tool there, so we start with our ellipse, decent ellipse. That will do. This time we're going to cut it in half and trim away half of it. Then using the offset curve tool, we'll make it a decent thickness. That'll do. Then the move tool, we'll select the inner one and just move it out. Close this end up, and now when we hit the pull key we should have two surfaces, which we have. Surface, well, it's called one surface but there's two of them here, so we select them both, control click, rotate, select an axis, that'll do, and rotate full pull. Now we've got two solids. I'm going to call the big one, no, I'm going to call the small one, right click, rename, plug. Plug. So make sure it's selected. Select the move tool on this up arrow and the up to tool here, up to there, and click on the big one, and the plug moves inside. So that's completely inside the big one. Deselect everything. Still got the two here, the plug and the solid. Select the combine tool and it's saying click the target object. Well, that's going to be the outer one, which is not the plug, so we select that one, click and select the cutter object, which is the inner one, which is the plug, and immediately we'll get another solid. So with the move tool selected, click the plug and then we can drag the plug out and then click this other solid and we can drag that one out. Now we no longer need these, so we'll right click, delete, right click, delete. If we select tool, select the center, press the X key and then V, we see we've got a hollow ellipse. Now to make our bowl, we will select the line tool. How big do I want the opening at the top? Oh, quite big, I think. So we'll start somewhere down here. We'll put a cut line through there, extend it up to there, then another one down, and then join it up. So now press the P key, we should get a surface. Yes, there it is. So we select our surface, rotation, select an axis, that'll do nicely. Select a negative because we want to cut material, then the full pull, let's cut our top of our bowl, and we've got another elliptical bowl. Hope you enjoyed all these. Do have fun. Bye.